Subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get my every new notification. We make life real by the thoughts we project. Death is the opposite of time. Life is beauty, terror, knowledge. Pattern and creativity are the true poles of action. Heaven and hell are subconscious. Worry is an addiction that interferes with compassion. When birds fly too high, they sing out of tune. Demons who enter your circle must be pushed out. Planets orbit the sun, forms orbit the mind. Fire cools, water seeks its own level. Give a thumbs up to my video if you like it.